Hi there, this is Gabriela with another Money Robot video. Let's talk about another common question, and this is really good one, definitely. Where are my reports gonna be after I finish my campaign? In this case, I'm so sorry I didn't have any made already, but let me show you. When you finish your project, means 100% done. Okay, in this area they say 100%, at least in the first task. And web 2.0, you can go to here on this tab, urls, and if you click here, after you click on your project and then click on your task, you can go to URLs and you're gonna see everything. You can copy it directly or export as, okay, on text file or Excel. This is where you're going to find it. All your URLs made. If for any reason you don't have URLs after, okay, really important. You need to wait until the progress is at least 90%. It's better to wait until the 100% because that way you can copy directly, the whole thing together. Um, but if for any reason you have no URLs, you maybe have problem with proxies or the Internet Explorer is not the last one, or you have any other issue, please contact us. Okay, we'll um, help you and figure out what's going on. But I make sure your progress area say 100%. Okay, thank you. See you to the next one.